What's up, y'all? It's Jullien from the Multifamily Movement, aka your property brother, aka Mr. Multifamily, and I'm actually here at one of my properties, and this is one of my tenants, Brittany, right here, and I wanted to introduce you. Tell her what happened.
So I'm scrolling through Instagram randomly, and I come across this guy, and I'm like, that looks like Jullien. So I click on the page, and I'm like scrolling through the content, and I'm like, wait a minute, he's not just a landlord. Like, what else this man got going on? So I'm going through it, and I'm like, wow, like there needs to be more men like this doing this for our culture.
Oh, I appreciate that. And so, to hear this from my tenant, because I take care of my tenants, I have about 60 people that I take care of and provide quality, affordable housing for in Oakland, Brooklyn, and here in New Orleans. And to hear this from Brittany right now is so important because I just had to evict a tenant who violated our relationship and our contract over the past few months by not paying due to coronavirus. And so, Brittany knows that I take care of her. Tell her what happened with the
Yeah,
burners.
so when I moved in, I noticed that some of my burners were a little bit off. So I was like, it's probably my responsibility. So I replaced one because that's what I could afford.
Yes.
So a couple months later, I was like, well, let me just reach out to Jullien and see if that's something I should do. I told him about the situation, and he's like, measure the burners, and they were there in like 2 days. Like there was no like hassle, no nothing. Like.
Okay.
Wow.
See, this is what ethical investing is really about. I'm not here to displace people. I'm actually anti-slumlord. And of course, there's been a lot of friction between landlords and tenants in the past. I take care of my people. And for me, I'm a steward of them. And I'm here to provide them quality housing so that when they step into this apartment, that they can have peace of mind and not worry about anything. And so I'm so happy to have Brittany here. She's been with me for about
5 months.
About 5 months.
Yeah.
She pays 3 months in advance. This woman paid 3 months in advance.
I had to have this apartment. Like the gold in here is bomb.
I put gold fixtures in here.
Yeah, like my bathroom has like a black wall, then it has subway tiles. The floor is like this stone tile. Like it's fire.
All right, see, so I take care of my folks, right? I want them to live good. So I just wanted to share this story with you because there's a lot of tension between landlords and tenants and things of that nature. But I'm here to be a different example and show you that no, I'm here as a steward to take care of folks like Brittany and other people who stay in my properties, and my tenants, they stay with me for a long time as a result of that. So I just wanted to share this story with you as an alternative narrative, as an alter narrative to what's really out there. And if you want to learn how to do this, go to multifamilymasterplan.com. Again, that's multifamilymasterplan.com. I'll show you how to finance, find, and finalize multifamily real estate deals just like this 5-plex right here. And hopefully I can teach Brittany the game too. She won't be my tenant for that much longer.
I would love that, actually.
For sure. I'm down. All right, y'all. Much love. Peace.
See ya.